This lesson is going to be on creating a geocache using the GPS unit. From the main map screen here that comes up when we first turn on the unit, to create a geocache, we're going to press the menu button located right here. That will bring up our main menu. Using the keypad, we're going to highlight Create and hit Enter. Again, using the keypad, we'll highlight Geocache and hit Enter. This will bring up three different options for creating the geocache. We can either create it at our current location, a point on the map, or coordinates that we enter ourselves. I'm going to create it at a point on the map. We can move the cursor around the map using the keypad to the point where we want to create the geocache. Once we get to that point, we hit the Enter button. This will bring up our geocache creation screen here. We can edit information on the screen, such as the name of the geocache, by highlighting the fields and pressing Enter. I'm going to leave the name as is, so I'll hit the green check mark and hit Enter. You can also change the icon associated with the geocache. And moving down, we can see the additional data fields that will, or the data that will be displayed on the geocache creation screen, such as the date, elevation, distance from our current location, if it's not at our current location, the bearing from our current location. Then at the bottom we have some additional fields that we don't see with the waypoint creation screen, such as the difficulty, terrain, and the hider that are associated with this geocache. Also at the top of the screen in the middle, we see an icon right here that is not associated with the waypoint creation screen, where you can enter hints, descriptions of the geocache, and so forth. So when we've entered all the information that we want to associate with this geocache, we highlight the disk icon and hit Enter to save the geocache. And once we're finished, we can get back to the main map screen by hitting the Escape button. And there we have it. To access the geocache we just created, we hit Menu again, hit Go To, and hit Enter. Select Geocache, and the geocache that we just created will be there. We highlight it, hit Enter, and we are now going to the geocache from our current location. So when we go to our current location on the map, right there, there'll now be a line showing us how to get to the geocache that we just created. So that, in a nutshell, is how you create and navigate to a geocache using the Triton 300, 400, and 500 GPS. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.